What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Camila. My name is Camila.
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 27 years old. I'm 27 years old.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in Bogotá, Colombia. I live in Bogotá, Colombia.
Where are you from originally? Where are you from originally?
I'm from Medellín. I'm from Medellín.
Do you have any brothers or sisters? Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have 2 sisters. Yes, I have 2 sisters.
What do you do? What do you do?
I'm studying medicine, and I also work part-time at a bookstore. I'm studying medicine, and I also work part-time at a bookstore.
What languages do you speak? What languages do you speak?
I speak Spanish, and I'm learning English and a little French. I speak Spanish, and I'm learning English and a little French.
What do you enjoy doing in your free time? What do you enjoy doing in your free time?
I enjoy hiking, painting, and watching documentaries. I enjoy hiking, painting, and watching documentaries.
What's your favorite kind of music? What's your favorite kind of music?
I love jazz and indie rock. I love jazz and indie rock.
Do you like movies? Do you like movies?
Yes, I love going to the cinema, especially for thrillers and sci-fi. Yes, I love going to the cinema, especially for thrillers and sci-fi.
What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie?
Probably Inception. Probably Inception.
What kind of books do you like? What kind of books do you like?
I really enjoy historical fiction and biographies. I really enjoy historical fiction and biographies.
What's your favorite book? What's your favorite book?
The Book Thief by Marcus Zusak. The Book Thief by Marcus Zusak.
What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color?
Green. It reminds me of nature. Green. It reminds me of nature.
What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food?
I love sushi. I love sushi.
Do you like to cook? Do you like to cook?
Yes. I often cook Asian recipes at home. Yes, I often cook Asian recipes at home.
What sports do you like?
I'm a fan of tennis, and I play occasionally. I'm a fan of tennis, and I play occasionally.
Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Luna. Yes, I have a cat named Luna.
Do you like to travel? Do you like to travel?
Absolutely. I try to visit a new country every year. Absolutely. I try to visit a new country every year.
What's your favorite city in the world? What's your favorite city in the world?
Madrid. I love its energy and the art museums. Madrid. I love its energy and the art museums.
Do you have friends in other countries? Do you have friends in other countries?
Yes, I have friends in Germany and Chile. Yes, I have friends in Germany and Chile.
What are your weekends like? What are your weekends like?
I usually relax, go for walks, or meet up with friends for coffee. I usually relax, go for walks, or meet up with friends for coffee.
What's your dream job? What's your dream job?
I want to become a pediatrician and work with international health organizations. I want to become a pediatrician and work with international health organizations.
Is there anything you'd like to learn? Is there anything you'd like to learn?
Yes, I'd love to learn how to play the piano. Yes, I'd love to learn how to play the piano.
How would you describe your personality? How would you describe your personality?
I'm curious, friendly, and a bit introverted. I'm curious, friendly, and a bit introverted.
Do you like art? Do you like art?
Yes, I enjoy modern and surrealist art. Yes, I enjoy modern and surrealist art.
What's your favorite animal? What's your favorite animal?
Dolphins. I find them intelligent and peaceful. Dolphins. I find them intelligent and peaceful.
How are you feeling today? How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling pretty calm and motivated. I'm feeling pretty calm and motivated.
Thank you. Stay tuned for exciting updates by subscribing to our channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell after you subscribe.